Hello. Vanakkam. Welcome. Have a nice day. Dear all, today are learning English class alphabets letter D. Let's see the word fruits name start with D. List of fruit names. All the fruits names starts with D are listed here. You will get a chance to improve your fruits vocabulary. It will be a wonderful lesson for beginners. Must read and lesson fruits that start with D. Must read fruits that start with D. Decapon fruit. Date fruit. Durian. Dewberry. Desert lime. Dead man's fingers fruit. Damson. Desert fig fruit. Davidson's plum fruit. Dodder laurel fruit. Date plum fruit. Duku fruit. Dragon fruit. Decaisnia. D. E. K. O. P. O. N. F. R. U. I. T. Decapon fruit. The decapon fruit is a unique citrus fruit that has been around for hundreds of years. Originating in Japan, the decapon is now being grown and distributed throughout many other countries. With its unique shape and sweet flavor, the decapon has become a popular choice of citrus fruits among many people. D. A. T. E. F. R. U. I. T. Date fruit. Date fruit is an incredibly versatile and nutritious food that has been enjoyed around the world for centuries. Originating in the Middle East, this sweet treat has been regarded as a delicacy by those who have delved into its many uses. Dates can be eaten fresh or dried, with each variant providing unique nutritional benefits. D. U. R. I. A. N. Durian. Durian is a tropical fruit that has a strong and pungent smell. It can be found in Southeast Asia, India, Bangladesh, and Indonesia. Durian is an acquired taste. Some find the flavor to be sweet and pleasant, while others find it to be incredibly unpleasant. The large spiky exterior of the fruit hides its creamy yellow flesh within. Its texture ranges from smooth custard-like to slightly granular, depending on the variety of durian consumed. D. E. S. E. R. T. L. I. M. E. Desert lime. The desert lime is a small native Australian citrus fruit that has been gaining popularity in the recent years due to its unique flavor. This tart and tangy lime-like fruit has many health benefits, including being full of antioxidants and providing a high dose of vitamins and minerals. This makes it a great addition to any diet or lifestyle. D. E. W. B. E. R. R. Y. Dewberry. Dewberry is an antioxidant-rich fruit native to Southeast Asia. It has become increasingly popular for its unique flavor and health benefits. This sweet, juicy berry is packed with vitamin C, dietary fiber, manganese, and other essential nutrients that can help to improve overall health. D. E. A. D. M. A. N. S. F. I. N. G. E. R. S. Dead man's fingers fruit. Dead man's fingers fruit is an exotic and mysterious fruit found in Southeast Asia. It has a unique texture, shape, and taste that some describe as similar to pineapple or banana. Despite its peculiar name, this rare delicacy has been revered for centuries due to its health benefits and sweet flavor. D. A. M. S. O. N. Damson. The damson is a type of small dark purple-blue plum which belongs to the Prunus domestica subspecies. It is widely known for its tart flavor and its use in cooking, making it an ideal choice for jams, jellies, pies and tarts. The origin of the damson can be traced back to Central Asia, where it has been cultivated since ancient times. D A V I D S O N S P L U M Davidson's plum fruit. Davidson's plum fruit is a unique and obscure native Australian fruit that has been used in traditional Aboriginal medicine for centuries. It is packed with health benefits due to its high nutrient density and antioxidant content. This purple-blue stone fruit has recently become popular among health-conscious Australians, as well as those looking to explore new flavors. D E S E R T F I G Desert fig fruit. Desert fig fruit, also known as the Ficus platyphila, is an exotic, slow-growing tree native to Australia. It's a large shrub with multiple trunks that produces a sweet and juicy red-pink fruit that is highly sought after in some parts of the world. The desert fig has an unusual appearance and its fruits are packed with nutritional benefits. D A T E P L U M Date plum fruit. The date plum fruit, also known as the Chinese date, is an exciting and unusual discovery for those seeking out new flavors. Native to China and other parts of East Asia, the date plum has been enjoyed throughout the region for centuries. With its intriguing sweet and sour taste, it has become increasingly popular around the world. D O D D E R L A U R E L Dodder laurel fruit. Dodder laurel is a unique and flavorful berry that is native to the United States. It has an exotic flavor profile, making it one of the most sought-after fruits in the world. The bright yellow and orange berries are loaded with valuable nutrients, providing many health benefits for those who consume them. D R A G O N F R U I T Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya or strawberry pear, is a tropical fruit that is native to Central and South America, but has become increasingly popular in the United States. It is an exotic-looking fruit with a bright pink skin and green scales. Dragon fruit has a sweet flavor with hints of citrus and can be eaten raw or added to salads, smoothies, juices, and desserts. D U K U F R U I T Duku fruit. The duku fruit, also known as the langsat, is a unique and exotic tropical fruit native to Southeast Asia. It has a sweet taste and a unique texture that makes it stand out from other fruit. The duku fruit is highly sought after for its nutritional value, which includes high levels of fiber, vitamins A and C, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium. D E C A I S N E A Decaisnea. Decaisnea is your all-natural solution to overall well-being. This unique dietary supplement helps to boost immunity, reduce stress and fatigue, and promote better sleep quality. It's like drinking an elixir of life. With its powerful blend of minerals, vitamins, and herbal extracts, Decaisnea is the ultimate daily defense against the rigors of modern life. And it's easy to take, just mix 1 scoop into your favorite beverage or food for a healthy boost.
Thanks for watching. We will meet next video. Good luck and goodbye. Please like, share, subscribe. Nandri. Vanakkam.